Welcome to an in-depth look at a tool set that consistently redefines efficiency and reliability in the workshop. The GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. This isn't just another set of wrenches. It's a meticulously engineered collection designed to elevate your work. It stands out for its exceptional durability, remarkable efficiency, and unparalleled versatility across a multitude of tasks. This set masterfully blends the time-honored reliability of traditional wrenches with the cutting-edge convenience of a ratcheting mechanism. It represents a significant leap forward in hand tool design, offering the best of both worlds. Whether you're a seasoned professional mechanic, a dedicated DIY enthusiast, or an auto hobbyist, this set is crafted for you. It's an essential upgrade for anyone who demands precision, speed, and unwavering performance from their tools. If you're seeking a wrench set that truly delivers on its promises, one that will become a cornerstone of your toolkit, then you've come to the right place. This review will detail why this GEARWRENCH set is an indispensable asset for serious users. The foundation of any superior tool lies in its design and build quality, and the GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set exemplifies this principle. Each wrench in this collection is a testament to robust engineering and thoughtful material selection. These wrenches are meticulously constructed from premium chrome vanadium steel, a material renowned for its exceptional strength and resilience. This robust alloy ensures that each tool can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use without compromise. The surface features a high-polish, full-chrome finish, which is not merely aesthetic. This polished finish provides a crucial layer of protection, making the wrenches highly resistant to corrosion, rust, and general wear and tear. It ensures that your tools maintain their integrity and appearance even after years of demanding work. This combination of material and finish guarantees a tool that is built to last, performing reliably in any environment. One of the most compelling aspects of this set is its comprehensive size coverage, addressing a vast spectrum of fastening needs. It includes a full range of both SAE and metric sizes, ensuring you're prepared for virtually any fastener you encounter. This dual standard inclusion makes the set incredibly versatile, suitable for diverse projects from automotive repairs to intricate home maintenance tasks. Each individual wrench in the set features a dual-purpose design. One end provides a traditional open-end wrench, perfect for initial loosening or final tightening. The other end boasts a precision-engineered ratcheting box end, which is where the true efficiency of this set shines. This thoughtful design maximizes utility and adaptability for every application. The heart of this set's efficiency lies in its advanced ratcheting mechanism. Each ratcheting box end is equipped with a finely tuned 72-tooth gear system. This high tooth count is a critical feature, directly translating to superior performance in confined spaces. The 72-tooth design allows for an incredibly small 5-degree swing arc. This minimal arc means you only need a tiny amount of clearance to engage the next tooth and turn the fastener. It's an absolute game-changer when working in tight engine bays, under dashboards, or in any restricted access area where traditional wrenches simply cannot operate effectively. This precision mechanism ensures smooth, consistent engagement and disengagement. Beyond raw power and precision, the ergonomic design of these wrenches significantly enhances user experience. Each wrench features a slim profile, allowing for easy access into narrow gaps and crowded assemblies. This slender design doesn't compromise on strength or feel. The wrenches are also expertly balanced, providing a comfortable and secure grip during prolonged use. This thoughtful weight distribution reduces hand fatigue, allowing for more sustained and efficient work. The combination of a slim profile and balanced feel greatly enhances overall usability and maneuverability, making even the most challenging tasks feel more manageable. The true measure of any tool set is its performance in real-world applications, and the GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set consistently exceeds expectations. Its innovative features translate directly into tangible benefits for the user. The ratcheting box end is the star of this set, offering a transformative advantage in speed and convenience. It significantly accelerates your work by eliminating the need to repeatedly remove and reposition the wrench after each turn. This continuous engagement saves valuable time and effort, especially on long bolts. The action of the ratcheting mechanism is remarkably smooth, precise, and sturdy. You can feel the positive engagement of each tooth, providing confidence and control with every rotation. This seamless operation allows for rapid fastening and loosening, making tedious tasks much more efficient and less fatiguing. While the ratcheting end garners much attention, the traditional open-end functionality remains an indispensable component of each wrench. This end provides crucial leverage, particularly when dealing with stubborn or over-tightened bolts. It's ideal for breaking loose fasteners that are initially too tight for the ratcheting mechanism. Once the bolt is loosened, you can then seamlessly switch to the ratcheting box end for rapid removal. This dual functionality ensures that you have the right tool for every stage of the fastening process, from initial breakaway torque to quick spinning. It truly maximizes the versatility of each individual wrench. The combined power of the ratcheting box end and the open-end functionality results in unparalleled overall efficiency. This set facilitates incredibly quick bolt removal and installation, drastically cutting down project times. Whether you're disassembling an engine or assembling furniture, the speed advantage is undeniable. The versatility of this set extends far beyond automotive applications. It's equally effective for bicycle maintenance, plumbing repairs, appliance servicing, and even assembling flat-pack furniture. This comprehensive utility makes it an invaluable addition to any professional or home workshop, proving its worth across a wide array of tasks. When investing in tools, durability and longevity are paramount considerations, and the GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set excels in these critical areas. This set is engineered for a lifetime of demanding use. The core strength of these wrenches is a major selling point, distinguishing them from lesser quality alternatives. Constructed from robust chrome vanadium steel, they are designed to withstand immense pressure and repeated stress without deforming or failing. This inherent strength ensures reliable performance under the toughest conditions. Users consistently report years, even decades, of reliable performance from their GEARWRENCH sets. This long-term dependability speaks volumes about the quality of materials and manufacturing processes. It's an investment that pays dividends through consistent, trouble-free operation over an extended period. The polished chrome plating on each wrench serves a vital protective function, extending the life and maintaining the appearance of your tools. This durable coating acts as a formidable barrier against rust and corrosion, common enemies of metal tools, especially in humid or harsh environments. Beyond rust prevention, the chrome finish also provides excellent resistance to scratches and chips. This means your wrenches will not only perform flawlessly, but also retain their professional look, even after countless uses. This superior protection ensures your investment remains in top condition for years to come. These wrenches are specifically designed to handle professional-level torque, a testament to their robust construction. They can withstand the significant forces required to loosen stubborn fasteners or tighten critical components to specification. This high torque capacity makes them suitable for the most demanding mechanical tasks. You can apply substantial force with confidence, knowing that the wrenches are built to endure without stripping or breaking. This reliability under high stress is crucial for both safety and efficiency in any professional or serious DIY application. They are truly built for the heavy lifting. Effective tool storage and organization are crucial for efficiency and tool longevity, and the GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set addresses this with a practical solution. The set comes thoughtfully packaged with a dedicated storage accessory. Each set includes a durable wrench rack, specifically designed to hold all 20 wrenches securely. This rack is not just a flimsy piece of plastic. It's a robust accessory built to withstand workshop environments. It ensures that your investment is protected and easily managed. The included wrench rack provides exceptional organized storage, keeping every wrench in its designated place. This eliminates the frustration of rummaging through a toolbox to find the right size. Each slot is clearly marked, making identification quick and effortless. This organized system makes it incredibly easy to find the exact size you need, precisely when you need it. It also ensures that your tools are always accessible, whether mounted on a wall, stored in a drawer, or carried to a job site. The rack is a practical addition that enhances the overall user experience. Understanding the value proposition of the GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set is key to appreciating its true worth. While the initial cost might be higher than some basic sets, the long-term benefits far outweigh this consideration. This set offers excellent long-term value, making it a wise investment for anyone serious about their tools. The superior quality, durability, and efficiency translate into fewer replacements and more reliable performance over time. It's a purchase that pays for itself through increased productivity and reduced frustration. The comprehensive range of sizes and the dual functionality of each wrench mean you're getting a versatile solution that covers a vast array of tasks. This set is a worthwhile investment for its quality, its comprehensive range, and its ability to consistently deliver professional results. It's built to last, saving you money in the long run. This GEARWRENCH set is ideally suited for a diverse group of users who demand performance and reliability. Professional mechanics will find it indispensable for its speed and durability in a demanding work environment. Its ability to handle high torque and provide quick turns is crucial for daily operations. Dedicated DIY enthusiasts and auto hobbyists will appreciate the professional-grade quality and the significant upgrade it offers over standard wrench sets. It empowers them to tackle complex projects with confidence and efficiency. Even beginners looking to build a comprehensive, high-quality toolbox will find this set an excellent foundation, providing reliable tools that will serve them for years. Every product has its strengths and weaknesses, and a balanced review requires an honest look at both. The GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set, while exceptional, is no exception. The most significant positive point is the high-quality construction and materials. The chrome vanadium steel and polished chrome finish ensure durability and corrosion resistance, promising a long service life. This robust build quality is evident in every wrench. Another major advantage is the dual functionality of each wrench, offering both an open end and a ratcheting box end. This versatility provides the right tool for every stage of a fastening task, from breaking loose to rapid spinning. The comprehensive size range, including both SAE and metric, ensures you're prepared for almost any fastener. While the set offers immense value, its price may be a consideration for casual users or those with very limited budgets. It represents a premium investment, which might be more than some occasional users are willing to spend. However, for frequent use, the cost is easily justified by its performance and longevity. A minor drawback, depending on specific needs, is the lack of a flex head option for extremely tight or awkward angles. While the 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism provides an excellent 5-degree swing arc, a flex head would offer even greater maneuverability in certain niche situations. This is a specialized feature not present in this particular set. In conclusion, the GEARWRENCH 20-piece Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone seeking reliability, versatility, and efficiency in their hand tools. Its robust construction, innovative ratcheting mechanism, and comprehensive size coverage make it an invaluable asset. This set consistently exceeds expectations, offering a significant upgrade to any professional or home toolbox. It's an investment that will pay dividends through increased productivity, reduced frustration, and years of dependable service. For serious mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who values quality tools, this GEARWRENCH set is highly recommended.